Just want to thank you for your time today. My name is Philip McKee, as has been said, and I'm the sales manager for BioPanda. I want to take a few minutes of your time to share with you about BioPanda and our recent journey during the COVID-19 pandemic. But firstly, a short introduction about our company. So BioPanda was established in 2011. We are an ISO 13485 accredited laboratory. We are based in Belfast, Northern Ireland, and we manufacture in vitro diagnostic tests, including clinical tests, food safety, and veterinary diagnostics. Next slide, please. So our mission statement is to provide innovative, high quality, and cost-effective test reagents that offer the sensitivity, specificity, and accuracy our customers require. Next slide, please. So point of care products that we manufacture for healthcare settings include tests for infectious diseases, cardiac biomarkers to help monitor heart problems, tumor markers, drugs of abuse tests, pregnancy and ovulation, and urinalysis testing. Next slide, please. Some clinical applications for these point of care tests. The good thing about these tests is the results are available within minutes. There's no need to send samples off to a laboratory and takes hours or days to get results back. So they are ideal in many healthcare settings, including hospitals, emergency departments, healthcare clinics, and community pharmacies for screening purposes. Next slide, please. One recent example where rapid testing has been used for screening has been our COVID-19 tests. We provide tests for both antigen and antibody screening. These tests have been widely used here in the UK and Ireland, throughout the European Union, and across the globe. Our antigen tests use a nasopharyngeal or throat swab sample and help determine if someone currently has the virus. And our antibody tests use a blood sample to determine if someone has antibodies specific to this virus, to help determine if someone has been infected in the past or if they have been vaccinated in the past few weeks. Next slide, please. We have had the privilege to provide these tests to several Middle East countries, including the Kingdom of Bahrain and Iraq. One case study I would like to share with you today is from Bahrain. So as of October 2020, we had sold 70,000 COVID tests to the Bahrain Defense Force Military Hospital and received excellent feedback with no complaints. We are keen to find more distributors throughout the Middle East and many other regions for the distribution of our tests to assist in the accurate diagnosis with our independently verified and high quality diagnostic tests. Next slide, please. Before I finish, I would like to share that BioPanda also produce diagnostic tests for veterinary use. We have tests available for dogs and cats. However, we also have tests available for livestock. These tests target specific illnesses in animals to assist with diagnosis and prescribing the right treatment. Next slide. Finally, BioPanda produce a wide range of food safety laboratory testing products to assist in the screening of food samples such as milk, meat, and seafood. This helps to determine if a food sample has traces of antibiotic residues, toxins, or other residual drugs. This ensures food going into the food chain is safe for consumption before being imported or exported. Next slide. Just finally, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for listening to my short presentation. Please see below my details, and if you would like further information about any of our tests, including our COVID-19 rapid diagnostic tests, please get in touch. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Philip. And it's fantastic to see the impact that BioPanda has had, particularly in the current COVID-19 pandemic, and the strong relationships you've had in Bahrain and other parts of the region. So in case your company is interested in working with BioPanda or knowing more, please do get in touch with us, and we will be happy to facilitate any further communication as well. Now I'd like to welcome Dr. Jason McEwen from Neurovalence, Dr. Jason, if you'd like to unmute yourself and switch on your camera, please.